Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna make a beef and broccoli meal. This is gonna be our dinner. So these are the things that I am going to be using. I have the crushed red pepper, salt, sesame seed oil, soy sauce, cooking stock, chicken bouillon, the garlic and onions, and then I have 2 broccoli packet and beef. All right, let's get right into it. You guys, this tastes so good. I just tasted and it is absolutely delicious. It feels like I'm buying Chinese food, but made at home. So this is it, guys. We are done. I'm gonna put it on a plate. We're gonna have it with rice for dinner. And yes, doesn't it look yummy, guys? I think it does. And the pepper, yes, we like it hot. So guys, we are done with dinner. This is our beef and broccoli dinner. We are going to have it with rice and enjoy the rest of our night. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this cook with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you tomorrow for more Vlogmas. Bye.